Hey there folks! How's it going today? We're all set to ring in the new year with some style, whipping up two amazing cocktails that are perfect for celebrating. Stick around to learn how to make them. Our first cocktail is the Pear Ginger Champagne Punch, a flavor explosion that'll wow your guests. Check out what you'll need. First up, toss those thin pear slices into a big pitcher. Pour in the champagne, pear nectar, ginger brandy, and ginger ale into the pitcher. Give it a good stir to blend all those flavors together. Serve it over crushed ice and garnish with extra pear slices and a piece of crystallized ginger. If you can't find ginger ale in your neck of the woods, you can swap it out for tonic water, no problem. Sweet! You've got your first cocktail down. Now, let's take a look at the second one, the Pineapple Coconut Champagne Cocktail, a tropical mix that'll pleasantly surprise your guests. Here are the deets. Start by pouring a bit of simple syrup into a small bowl and shredded coconut into another small bowl. Dip about a quarter of the rim of your champagne glasses in the simple syrup, then into the shredded coconut, making sure the rim gets a good coating. Set it aside to dry a bit. It looks fantastic when the drink's all set. Now, fill each champagne glass with pineapple juice and coconut water. To finish it off, just top it up with chilled champagne or Prosecco and serve it up immediately. Digging it? Two awesome vegan cocktail ideas to spice up your New Year's dinner. And there you have it, folks. Don't forget to drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your New Year's crew. And always remember, when there's alcohol involved, don't slack off on responsibility. If you're gonna have a drink this New Year's, don't grab those car keys. Keep them safely parked in the garage. Let's roll into a fantastic 2024. Happy New Year, folks! Catch you later.